Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. And in this tutorial, I will be showing you the basic that you need to know in order to start using Microsoft Word. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And today I'm going to show you how to open a Word document. And to do that, click on File. Click on File. First of all, you need to open Microsoft Word. And once it's open, you need to start. When you need to start a new document, you click on File, and then just select New Document. And now you have your new document opened. And you can start typing what you want to type. And when you finish, click on File, Save As, and give it a name. I call it Welcome 1. And I'm going to save it on my desktop. I click on Save. Now, if you want to close the document, click on File and click on Close. And because the document has been saved, the document will close. Now, I want to go back to the desktop to open my file. There's my file on the desktop. Now, to open it, I can right-click and open with, and I choose Microsoft Word, and the document will open. Or simply, I can just double-click the document, and the document opens. If you want to make any changes, you can continue to type what you want to type. And when you finish, click on File, and then Close. If you have made some changes and you haven't saved yet, you will get a notification because the document will not close if you have already made modifications. Now, after modifications, you can click on Save, or you can close the document. Now, there's another way of opening a Microsoft Word document using templates. Now, if you wanna use the template, click on File, and then select the New from Template. Now, you have all these templates you can use. If you want to use, let's say, the research paper, just double-click it, and the template will open. It takes a bit of time. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to open, and then you can start writing. Change that with welcome, and you can change the title, you can change the image, and you can write whatever you want to write. And when you finish, click on File, Save As, and I call it Welcome 2, and I will save it on the desktop, and it's saved. If I want to close it, just click on File, Close, and the document is closed. Now, to open our document, you can right-click and open with Microsoft Word, or you can double-click it. There's our document opened. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.